What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another hair tutorial for you guys and I'm really excited about this one. Listen, this is so pretty. I can't get enough. Like this is such a vibe. And when I start to style this unit, you're gonna see how easy this is. Now this is a wear and go. You put it on, you wear and you go. And they meant that. When I put it on, it literally looked like I could just throw it on and go. I didn't comb it. I didn't do nothing to it. I just left it as is. That's when I put it on. But I wanted to do this updo style to show you that you can still do an updo style with these type of units, because I believe this is a 7x5. As you can tell, it's really wide across the forehead. It is not a full frontal, it's a closure, okay? And it is super pretty. And when I tell you I'm addicted to these particular units, like I'm addicted. Today's unit is by Sunber hair and this is a beauty. So shout outs to them for sponsoring today's video. This is a water wave unit. Now I can't remember all the specs on it. I do believe it is a 24-inch, but it is so pretty. Can you stay down? I want this on the side right here. You see what I'm saying? Like this is, it's supposed to give that. Hello. But how cute is this today? Like I feel so girly, so cute with the little bow, with the updo, with the waves. When I tell you I didn't do much to this more than put it on and comb it out and style it like this. Of course, I had to do the baby hairs, but this hair is so luxurious, so soft, so pretty, and full of body. Like I said, I will have everything pop up right here so you guys can see like the full specs. But you have to get this wig. Sis, if you're into curly hair and effortless hair, you have to get this unit. Okay, this one is mine. Like I said, I always like donate my units over here because there are a lot of girls over here who don't have access to a salon and how to do their hair. And I'm talking specifically Black women. So I like to donate my units, but this one is mine. I absolutely love this. This is so pretty. It is full on the ends. I didn't trim the ends. I didn't do anything to this more than just style it how I wanted it. The baby hairs, the plucking, the baby hairs, the pre-cut lace wigs, I'm telling you, they are such a vibe right now. And if you don't have one, you need to go ahead and get on this. Like they're really paying attention to us. I have to give a shout out to them for paying attention, because they're paying attention and they're seeing what the girls need, and they're helping us save money, because with the pre-bleach and the work on this, you don't have to buy no bleach. You get what I'm saying? Like you can save coins when you buy the wig. You get what I'm saying? Like it's ready to go. It is absolutely stunning. Make sure you check the description box. Everything will be linked down there for you. So without further ado, let's get right on into the styling of the video. I have their water wave and I think this is a 7x5 closure. I'm not 100% sure. All the information will pop up right here. I always put the specs right here because once I sit, I get so much hair that I can't really remember everything, like the exact specs. My voice is cracking. Like I need more time. But I really want to get on my Zoom. The wig is beautifully constructed and I am absolutely in love with this new air tab cutout. It has the cutout for the ears, so it sits better around the ear. They know what we need. They know, and they're up in their game. And I am absolutely in love with that. I love that they're paying attention to us and our needs. Like you don't understand. Anyways, I'm rambling. Let's get into it. Bro, look at that already. Look at that already. I'm excited. And I love anything wavy, anything curly. Let me go back a little bit so you can see. Look at this already. Tell me. Just put on your little lashes and your lip gloss. I have my brows pushed up and you're not ready to go through the door. What are we doing? Do we need to do anything else? Especially if you love these type of baby hairs. I'm actually gonna leave these particular baby hairs today. I'm not gonna cut them, but I'm gonna add some right here because I want the fluffy look. Look at this already. Look at, there's no glue. I just threw it on. I'm ready to go through the door. I feel super cute. I feel ready to go through the door and feel confident and cute. The lace is barely showing, like it is melted in. I haven't done anything. Look at this. Come on, Sunber. Okay, so here's a close up. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing an updo, so I'm not gonna put any foundation or anything like that, but you can see like, look at this, man, listen to me. When I tell you I'm in love with this new era of wigs, I'm in love with this new era of wigs. You don't understand. Take a good look at it. This is what it looks like with the middle part that they gave us. but I'm gonna be doing an updo. We're doing a very girly updo, and yeah, so I need to get my hot comb ready, and let's go.
Baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come here to me, to me. Come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Fatumata Jambele, oh Lord. Fatumata Jambele, oh Jambele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe, baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you, you are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
Yeah, so as you can tell, very, very simple, very simple. The hair is absolutely stunning, and I still don't have all of it in the front. Like, look at the body. Look at the body, look at the action. This is so girly, so cute. I love this. I absolutely love this. Like, I don't have any words. Like, the wigs are getting so much better that I'm literally speechless. Like, I don't have much words to do and to say. Like, I'm fumbling on my words because I don't know what to say about it because it's so good. I have been doing hair reviews for a very, very long time, and I must say this is my most favorite era. The pre-cut, the pre-pluck, the pre-bleach units, and the 7x5 units. A vibe. You would never know that it's not a full unit. You know what I'm saying? You just need to know how to finesse it, but it's so good. It is so good. I love this so much. And as you can tell, when I put it on in the video, like, it was ready to go. Like, I could go through the door like that. Maybe put a little bit of foundation powder to really camouflage the lace, especially on the areas right here on the sides. But look at that. There is no... I'm in love. Like, I love this. I love this to the maximum. Anyways, pay me no mind. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. So if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok to IG. Everything is under my name. Share the video because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon.